In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, two terms that have gained significant prominence are artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. These cutting-edge fields are revolutionizing industries, shaping our daily lives, and pushing the boundaries of what was once thought possible. In this article, we will delve into the intricacies of AI and ML, exploring their definitions, applications, and the profound impact they have on society. Defining artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. AI is designed to mimic cognitive functions, enabling machines to make decisions, solve problems, and adapt to changing environments. Applications of artificial intelligence. The applications of AI are vast and diverse, spanning various industries. In healthcare, AI is used for disease diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, and drug discovery. In finance, AI powers fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. In the automotive industry, AI is at the forefront of developing self-driving cars. While in customer service, chatbots leverage AI to provide instant and efficient support. The possibilities are endless, with AI contributing to advancements in fields such as education, agriculture, and entertainment. Understanding machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on enabling machines to learn from data without explicit programming, instead of being explicitly programmed to perform a task. Types of machine learning. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on a labeled dataset, where the algorithm learns to make predictions based on input-output pairs. Unsupervised learning involves finding patterns and relationships in unlabeled data, while reinforcement learning involves training a model to make sequences of decisions through trial and error. Impact on society. The integration of AI and ML into various aspects of society brings both opportunities and challenges. On one hand, these technologies enhance efficiency, productivity, and innovation. On the other hand, concerns about job displacement, bias in algorithms, and ethical implications arise. Striking a balance between technological advancement and ethical considerations is crucial to ensure that AI and ML benefit society as a whole. The future of AI and ML. As technology continues to advance, the future of AI and ML holds exciting possibilities. Enhanced personalization, improved healthcare diagnostics, and even more sophisticated autonomous systems are on the horizon. However, addressing ethical concerns, ensuring transparency, and fostering responsible development will be essential in shaping a future where AI and ML contribute positively to humanity. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are driving forces behind the transformative changes we witness in the digital age. From automating routine tasks to unlocking new frontiers of innovation, these technologies are reshaping the way we live and work. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are two trending technologies that have been making waves in the tech industry. While the two terms are often used interchangeably, they are not the same thing. AI is a broad field that refers to the use of technologies to build machines and computers that have the ability to mimic cognitive functions associated with human intelligence, as being able to see, understand, and respond to spoken or written language, analyze data, make recommendations, and more. On the other hand, ML is a subset of AI that enables a machine or system to learn and improve from experience. Instead of explicit programming, ML uses algorithms to analyze large amounts of data, learn from the insights, and then make informed decisions. AI and ML are closely related, but they differ in several ways, including scope, applications, and more. Increasingly, AI and ML products have proliferated as businesses use them to process and analyze immense volumes of data, drive better decision-making, generate recommendations and insights in real time, and create accurate forecasts and predictions. AI and ML have numerous applications in various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. In healthcare, AI and ML can be used to analyze medical data, identify patterns, and make predictions about patient outcomes. In finance, AI and ML can be used to detect fraud, analyze market trends, and make investment decisions. In transportation, AI and ML can be used to optimize routes, reduce traffic congestion, and improve safety. AI and ML are two innovative concepts that are transforming the way we live and work. While they are closely related, they differ in several ways, including scope, applications, and more. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, have swiftly emerged as transformative technologies, revolutionizing various industries and reshaping the way we perceive and interact with the world. These interconnected fields have captivated the imagination of technologists, researchers, and businesses alike, offering a glimpse into a future where intelligent machines coexist with humanity. At its core, AI refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This encompasses a broad spectrum of capabilities, ranging from speech recognition and problem-solving to visual perception and language translation. Machine learning, a subset of AI, focuses on the creation of algorithms that enable machines to learn from and make decisions based on data, without explicit programming. The applications of AI and ML are pervasive, permeating diverse domains such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics, drug discovery, and personalized medicine, while ML algorithms are enhancing predictive analytics and patient care. Financial institutions leverage AI for fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading, thereby streamlining operations and improving security. In the realm of transportation, AI powers autonomous vehicles, optimizing routes, and enhancing safety. Furthermore, the entertainment industry harnesses AI to personalize content recommendations and streamline production processes. The potential of AI and ML is boundless, offering innovative solutions to complex problems and augmenting human capabilities. Despite the remarkable progress, ethical considerations and societal impacts loom large over the rapid advancement of AI and ML. Concerns relating to data privacy, algorithmic bias, and job displacement necessitate a cautious and introspective approach to development and deployment. It is imperative to ensure that these technologies are wielded responsibly, with a keen eye toward fostering inclusivity and mitigating unintended consequences. Looking ahead, the evolution of AI and ML promises to be both exhilarating and challenging. Continued research and development will unlock new frontiers, enabling AI to exhibit greater adaptability, reasoning, and emotional intelligence. As advancements continue, collaboration between policymakers, technologists, and ethicists will be vital in shaping a future where AI and ML enrich the human experience while upholding fundamental values and ethics. The fusion of artificial intelligence and machine learning represents a pivotal moment in our technological evolution. Their profound impact on society underscores the need for conscientious innovation and ethical stewardship. Thanks for watching. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing money, investing wisely, and building your wealth. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with friends who are also on the path to financial success. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, keep making smart financial decisions.